Alright, so we're back here in Trinity Falls, going over some of the things you should be looking for when you have your roof replaced. What we have up here, this metal trim, is called your drip edge. Lines the entire perimeter of your roof. What we find is sometimes corners can get cut, and what they'll do is they'll use prefabbed pieces where they're already anodized and painted. The problem with that is they don't always match your siding. So what we're having our painters do is they're out here, they taped off the shingles, and then they come by and they're going to paint the entire drip edge so it matches flawlessly to the fascia, so it blends in perfectly. So as you can see here, this is what it looks like in action. We've got our shield in place, and he's scooting it along as he goes through and paints, protecting the fascia, and then we've got the tape on top, protecting the shingles. Alright, well, we're all done with the drip edge. You can see we got it painted and matches the fascia. Looks good. Alright, so as you can see, when it comes to getting your roof replaced, it's not just replacing shingles, it comes down to the small details, and that's what makes a great job. If you know anyone that could still use some help or wants an inspection from some of the storms we've had this year, love to come help them out. Give us a call anytime.